This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure the LG laptop is on AC power and not critically low. This prevents interruptions when changing settings. Next, open Start, go to Settings, then System and Power and Sleep. You need to note the active power plan name and check if an LG-branded Power Manager app is installed. Doing this lets you revert if needed. Once done, select Additional Power Settings to expose advanced options so you can change the exact behaviors that trigger power saving mode. You now tweak the advanced options to stop aggressive power saving. Open Change Plan Settings for the active plan, then change Advanced Power Settings. Adjust display turn-off and sleep timers to longer values and set processor power management minimum to 5% and maximum to 100% when plugged in. Disable hybrid sleep and allow wake timers if they interfere. If an LG OEM utility overrides Windows, open it and match these settings. These changes ensure the system stays responsive. You're finishing up. Apply the settings and restart the LG machine to ensure all power policies load. Test by leaving the laptop idle on AC for 15 to 30 minutes and confirm the display and sleep behavior match your new values. If the computer still enters power-saving mode unexpectedly, update display and chipset drivers and open any LG Power Management app to disable conflicting profiles. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, create a new Windows Power Plan and configure it from scratch to override corrupt settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.